Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start the analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty. We'll also be covering Sensex because I think it's a very good index to trade. Now, yesterday we discussed that today's Nifty expiry should be a very easy expiry. And आज आपको पूरा मतलब like it was one of the easiest expiries. Okay, there was. Okay. So I need you to hit the like button for that, and because this helps us grow our channel. And also, if you like whatever we do, which a lot of you do, please keep supporting us. And also from next week, you'll see the entire week. Okay, you'll have Nikki doing the videos. So like if you like her videos a lot more than mine, then keep an eye out for that as well. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with Nifty because today was Nifty expiry. So for the next few days, what is my view? See, we are trading at all-time high resistance, matlab support, barabar? So we have taken support here, correct? And where is the resistance? See, it's kind of a zone. Today's high is a resistance and the all-time high is a resistance. So we are currently trapped in this zone. Okay, so we need to get out of this zone for Nifty to have a trending move. Till then, we can have a sideways kind of an expiry. Okay. So my view is for Nifty, मेरे हिसाब से तो 1-2 days I think it can go sideways more. Okay. Because that's what I am seeing. Support should not easily break. Okay. At least for 1 to 2 sessions. And the resistance also may not break आज की candle को देख के. I only think मतलब कि trending आ सकता है अगर gap up if it's very big and it current day high is taken out. Like something like this can happen then. But lot of things need to happen to that. Uski probability I think is very less. Okay, so Nifty, very simple. I'm expecting a 1 to 2 sessions of like sideways kind of days. Okay, Nifty. Okay, just end the 15-minute time frame. I'm just showing you like we have this 25,070 as a support. Okay, and ATH of 25,350 as a resistance. So what market can do? Market will tomorrow, like if it tries to go up, man lo if it's going up, it will face resistance near current day high. Okay, then it will come down. Then it will try to go up, face resistance here. Then basically in my estimate, the market should be in the range. Okay, in the next 1 to 2 days. Let's look at Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty, what we are discussing. First thing we are discussing this inside bar. Now we have 2 IB. Okay, which is like note this down. If one more day sideways we get, I'm very confident next week can be trending then. Okay, and we also have this trend line breakout, but no movement. Okay, after that, no good strong movement we didn't have. So it's kind of a sideways kind of a move after this. Like usually market should rocket like after this trend line breaks, but we are not seeing that in Bank Nifty yet. Okay, so what we are going to do, the only first time I'm seeing is, last 4-5 days low is the same. So if the market closes below this range, okay, on the downside, then we may get a down move. Now I'm seeing this down move. फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे लग रहा है कि डाउन मूव आ सकता है आफ्टर दिस रेक्टेंगल का ब्रेक. ये रेक्टेंगल जब से बना था ना, सिंस देन आई एम ऑलवेज बीन सेइंग एवरी वीडियो में मेरा बायस बुलिश है. Now, if we go below this last 4-5 days के lows are the same, उसके नीचे I might think it's bearish. Okay, first time I'm seeing a sign. मुझे पहले तो I was not seeing only any sign. That's why I was saying bullish. Okay, but still I think ऊपर का trade would be better now because of this like larger trend like going down and then market being sideways, and because market is sideways in so many days, a movement has to come, good movement. अभी मैंने कितने बार बताया है वो कि like movement should come now, but it doesn't come only. So that prediction is going wrong. So I have to patiently wait. Abhi I can't do anything about it. Abhi. Okay, so keep that in mind. So 2 IB on the daily chart, and downside 4-5 days low is the same. So if it goes down, you can definitely start selling these call options. Any of these which you find. Okay. Conversely, okay, assume karo if the market is sideways for one more day and on Monday market takes this out. Then what can you do? You can start gobbling up these puts, OTMs. Okay, so this is going to be the basic strategy for the next week. 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is a kind of a rectangle we had. So we opened above the rectangle. So it's a good chance matlab to go up. But फिर भी market sold off, and then after the first candle, no movement again. So a lot of days sideways movement in Bank Nifty. So we have to wait for a breakout now patiently, आराम से. So one small, what you can do, agar upper if you think it has to go now, above this zone, if the market closes, with small quantities you can try to go long, at least till this resistance level, okay? And on the downside, I think, see downside, what problem is, there is only one problem. Like even if you get a breakdown here, यहाँ पे again there's a support, support sort of thing. That's the only problem in downside. Otherwise, it would be a very good downside trade. So if enough downside you have to try for a short target, and then if it goes up and continues again, another lower low is formed, then we can try to attack the call sells and put buys and whatever. Cool. So basically I've discussed my view in Bank Nifty, and Nifty also I've discussed both. I think Bank Nifty particularly, if it goes sideways next week, I'm expecting trending, and Nifty I think 2-3 days sideways. Now let's look at Sensex. Okay, Sensex mein what is happening? So we are taking support at the previous all-time high level. Okay, here. So what for tomorrow, what can I say? I think this green candle low should go to 0, 81,800 put. See, I'm providing these predictions for comedic value also, because like when I tell you something, many times it will go wrong also. And it's funny for me as well. Okay, but today's prediction went right though. Okay, so I think this 81,800 put should go to 0. I actually think the current day high also might go to 0 tomorrow. It could be a strangle sort of a day, 10-6 months. So that's my view going forward. And I think tomorrow is Friday's close. So 3 p.m. becomes crucial for us. 3 p.m. what the weekly candle looks like. So if it's closing with a very good bullish वगैरह sign, I think for next week we can try for a bullish trade. Friday overnight, of course. Friday to Monday ka trade, we can try for a bullish thing. Cool. So that's it, I think, for my video for today. If you have any questions, write them down, because Nikita will make the weekly analysis video. She can address probably 1 or 2 questions at least in that video. So that's it for this video, okay? So write down your questions for Nikita. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you very soon, probably next week, okay? And Nikita will cover the weekly analysis video. So keep an eye out for that. Keep the notifications bell on, and we'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.